Cameroonian girl tell me say she want marry me, oh. I hope say she fit cook it at you. This girl love no get the part to
when soup gets so
girl, I say, about.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hanze237. How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing well. Guys, today I am here to show you how to eat ekwang, as in ekwang the proper way. Yes, the real way, with your fingers, you know. So I'm going to eat it.
Hey! I hear me.
Look at that plate. Yes guys, I know I'm trying to lose weight, but guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm trying to lose weight, but I cannot just help it. I have to eat this food, and I said let me eat it with you guys, all right? Because I noticed some of you enjoyed my kwakoko and banga soup video, so I decided to film this video how to prepare ekwang the traditional style, whichever style you prefer. But this is just it, and I'm going to eat with you guys, so enjoy.
Tout le monde désireux taper les mains. Arunja, Toimelele weni kalelo, oh my oh. Toimelele weni kalelo, oh my oh. Toimamere unya rumalo ala ko my oh. Toimamere weni kalelo, oh my oh. Tere ondu wowe manyoko niweya. Tere ondu wowe ndo makone niweya. 1, 2, eleme 3, 4, ekume. Ay. Toimelele wani kalelo o mayo. Toimango na yombe. Toimangere unyarumano alako mayo. Arunja. Toimengo wani romano o mayo. Tere ondu wowe manokone niweya. Tere ondu wowe no makone niweya. likare o ni meli wo we we mi ya tate ono lakire ono likare ngundu ni meli wo we mi tate ono lakire elebe arunta Nimelio aloe Nimelio aloe ai Nimelio aloe Nimelio aloe ai I wish Rico go live the mama lumsa. Rico go live the mama lumsa. When soup they so, oh, thank you. No, it walk my day, walk my walk, I don't know, it walk my day. I will walk and don't you? Walk my walk, I don't know, it walk my day, walk my walk, I don't know, it walk my day.